That's cool.
Yeah, we could give that to Justin and Jessica.
Give it to Sheila and Billy. They have grandbabies.
Well, that's true too. Yeah, same thing. Yeah. Hey, Squatchy Squatchers, how's it going?
We're headed out to go street catting.
Yeah, alley catting.
Street catting.
Whichever.
Yeah, we're just gonna go look around the streets for a bit.
Yeah, it's Sunday morning. It is sunny, no wind.
That's gorgeous.
Finally. Yeah. So we're gonna do our thing.
And then we're gonna go dumpster diving.
Well, yeah.
Also, I have a pickup at Ulta because I bought something.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna go look up in their store too before I dump.
Yeah, we're gonna go do some Recon in Ulta.
Yeah.
Go behind enemy lines.
Okay. Lock tight.
Yep.
Yep. You see, what is interesting for me over here is not those dumpsters, it's the one in the back. The one back here is amazing, and I wish that, and they dumped it, see? It's their metal bin.
Well, yeah, they recycle it.
Really freaking cool stuff in there. I always wanted to go dig in that and take this stuff in there because it was so awesome. But I knew, you know, they get money for that.
Yeah, exactly. It's
So,
not garbage.
yeah, I can't take it out of their trash. It's not trash. It's their scrap because they scrap it themselves.
Right.
And some businesses don't. They throw their scrap in the trash can. That's different. They recycle their trash, their scrap. So, I take it. Boy, their fence fell down. That sucks, man. Doesn't look like they cared.
No.
Maybe it's a rental. He's like, I didn't know you were coming. Yucky wood. Any good salvageable wood?
So that dude's coming this way. Yeah, I would take it if he wasn't gonna be coming through, but no big deal. Oh, there's brake drums.
Ooh, yes. We like those. Those work great for weighting things down.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
That place looks abandoned.
Yeah.
Oh, millennials. They're looking at they're too cute. Is that a freaking chicken?
Yeah.
Freaking out like, bleh, bleh, bleh. Like, fuck, what's wrong with it? Somebody's strangling the chicken. Yard work.
Something up here.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, guy, you gotta take that. It's a kid's kitchen. That's awesome. Oh my god. That's cool.
Yeah, we could give that to
Yep.
Dustin and Jessica.
Give it to Sheila and Billy. They have grandbabies.
Well, that's true too. Yeah, same thing.
That's a really nice one.
Yeah.
Is that a Little Tykes?
I'm not sure.
Those are expensive. Because they don't break. The stickers and the paint may wear off, but they don't break. It's like those little beetle bug cars, the little pedal cars. They're still around. People still use them. They don't make them new anymore, but the kids still play with them.
Some lady ran mine over when I was like 3 years old.
Oh, dude, my dad ran my big wheel over.
My mom went over there and lit her up.
Oh. My dad said, it's your fault. There's stuff behind there, too. I left it in the driveway. And he worked nights.
Yeah.
Are they speakers?
Yeah?
Yeah? Oh, wow. Well,
Check that out.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Isn't that cool?
If those are speakers, take them. I can use them as a magnet.
Okay.
They have those big magnets we
Yeah.
use for fishing.
Just a drawer. What's this? Look at this old television.
Oh my god, those are awesome.
Isn't that cool? Yeah. Okay. Oh, model railroading. That's great. I know hardly anyone model railroads anymore, but we did back in the day. My Uncle Roger actually founded the Tri-Cities Model Railroading Club back in the 70s, I think. Look at all these model railroading magazines.
Oh, that's awesome. Here comes somebody down the road going by.
Yeah.
Oh well, they're small enough. That's cool, that TV. Wow, and the radio?
Yeah.
Wow, and the speakers. Oh, I like speakers because I can get this stuff out of it.
So much broken glass here.
Yeah, there is. You roll my window down for me. I can't even roll it down at all. Thank you, I appreciate it. Ooh, look at that bug.
Yeah.
That's nicer.
Broncos bug.
Yeah. Wrong place. Hello there. busting their balls. I seen them out here just a minute ago. For sale. Why would you want to buy that little thing? Seems like it would be very hard to fix, especially now. I don't see nothing down that way. Maybe. Might be something on top of that can over there.
Yeah.
I don't see any blue and red and white and green.
Plus it's all underneath there.
Or on the side.
Yeah. Nothing. That's a bummer. I had high hopes for that one.
We're over here quite a bit earlier than we usually are, though. Think about it. We usually don't come over here until around 2, and it's almost noon. So we'll go over here to Maurice's maybe, and then go to Ulta.
Right.
Oop. That girl. She's like, I gotta go get my coffee. Can't hit me.
That's my fucking spot.
You see, Bath and Body Works just opened, so they haven't. You know, their employees are still doing their shit stuff. Sorry. Don't want to cuss.
Well, we got to do this. We got to do Hapo, Walmart, and then we'll swing back by.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, we got time. Got stuff to do and come back by there. There is 2 bags from the stores right there. Trendy sticker. White bag. White bag. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
It'd be nice to definitely stop by Billy and Sheila's on the way home and
That'd probably be a good idea.
get rid of as much as we can there.
Yeah. Give her some kid toys.
Okay, here we are outside of Ulta.
Ulta.
And there it is. Enemy lines. Getting ready to go in and do our recon.
It's not enemy lines.
No, it's not.
He's never been into an Ulta.
No,
this is a new experience for him.
I've only been to an Ulta dumpster.
I've had a lot done at Ulta. I've had makeup put on. I've had my eyebrows done once, which was really sucky. Don't do it. And I bought makeup here, perfume, I have never bought shampoo here because I think it's ridiculously priced.
Yeah.
But there's something to be said about quality, and when you buy things from a store like Ulta, you know that you're getting quality. And just because I take it from the dumpster doesn't mean I can't buy it. So I'm going to go buy what I want because I don't always get it from the dumpster.
Yeah. Then we'll go see what's in the dumpster.
Yeah. Probably what I want. Yep.
Something.
Up over there, but I'm not going to do that yet. Let's look around.
Wow.
Yeah. These are testers. Color. Ooh, cleansing. Miss Dior. I have some of this at home. Actually, I have the big ones. I used it this morning. Leave it juicy. It's on my nightstand, but it's this size.
So.
I don't know where the...
No price tags on anything.
Oh, there it is. It's right here.
Oh, I see.
These aren't the prices for this. There's a coach right there. Wild Rose. Yeah. The Dreams is what we have. We have this one. The 112.
Wow.
I was turning my record.
Armani. She Armani. This is the men's Armani. And the Carolina Herrera. So we have this at home. The lid. We don't have that. We're missing it. I don't like this one. It has a very musky smell. Jimmy Choo. This is my favorite. This one. It's my favorite perfume. Actually, I'm already wearing it. Yep. Oh, geez, there's a lot of it.
Wow.
Okay, I'll get the rake. Give it a rake. Give it a reiki. Flip it around a bit. Let's go over it, would you? Thanks. Right. packaging from when we do need it.
Yeah.
They are awesome about not tearing it up. I've ever seen these color bags in here before. I think somebody else's garbage. Come on. Silly. Nothing.
That's head bonk number 4 with that one.
No, somebody else's garbage there.
Yeah.
Gosh, there's stuff in there. I wasn't expecting actually to be stuff in there. There's been so many times we've come on Sunday and there's been nothing.
Right. We'll see. Grab those, that foam there.
Yeah.
I want those for the shipping those wine glasses. That will be perfecto.
Other one?
No, that's plenty. How ironic would it be if the day we go into Ulta that there's no soup bags?
But I've never found anything in here on a Sunday.
Yeah.
So I usually get Tuesday because Tuesday they throw it out to the garbage can.
Yeah.
I think that's why I'm here. Yeah.
Great. That's a lot of receipts. Gift cards at least. Another banner. Gift cards. There's an actual soup bag. Little one. Grab that box right there. They've got instructions here. Must begin using on 228. All prior applications must be destroyed. Yeah.
This is the only bag that was a mystery to me because it's so heavy. Look at it here. I think it's because it's huge.
Oh, yeah.
Because it looks like just, you know, their
Right.
from their makeup stands. It's showing your own stands. Yeah, I think that's cardboard sheet. These are great for shipping. Oh yeah.
Oh. Good bubble bag.
Yeah, definitely. The mat. Right here, that's my little